we're gonna make cupcakes! We've got flour, butter, eggs, and water! Get the cupcake holders. Right, I've got my cupcake mix and my cupcake holders. Now, all we need to do is pop them in this tray. Look, blue ones. And purple ones. And pink ones. And yellow ones. What's your favorite color? Blue, purple, pink, or yellow? Mine's yellow! Wow! Look at all these cupcake holders. Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You know what we gotta do now, right? We gotta put the mix in the holders. Great! Look, all my cupcake holders are full. Ready for the oven. While my cupcakes are in the oven, I think I'm gonna do some more baking. But before I do that, I kind of wanna stretch my legs. Ooh. And you know the best activity for that? That's right. I'm gonna sing and dance the baking biscuit song. Come on, join me.
I smell something really sweet. Could it be a tasty treat? What's in store for us today? It's biscuit time, hip hip hooray. What shape will you make yours into? There are so many you can choose. A star, a circle, or a heart. It's time to make some biscuit art. fruit, vanilla, or chocolate chip, or maybe with an icing dip. There are so many kinds to taste, and we won't let them go to waste. So come along, we'll share with you the cookies made with Magilu. Baking biscuits, it is so much fun. There is enough for everyone. Mixed together, we will make a dough. Let's get baking, here we go. Baking biscuits, it is so much fun. There is enough for everyone. Roll it forwards, roll it back. We're cooking up a tasty snack.
That was so much fun! But now, it's time to get baking again! Come on! Do you see that the cookie dough is super different to the cupcake dough? It's more of a solid. That's so that we can make really cool cookie shapes. Hey, I wonder how the cupcakes are doing in the oven. How are the cupcakes doing? Great! Well, let's make some shapes. ready to put them in the oven. Look, the cupcakes are done. The cookies are ready too. Now we have cupcakes and cookies. I've had so much fun baking all the biscuits and the cupcakes. Baking's such a blast. Will you join me next time I go baking? What is your favorite thing to bake? Maybe we can try that next time. Anyways,